A new legal fight is brewing between Sheriff Alfred Montgomery and St. Louis City Hall. The St. Louis sheriff is suing to block a new ordinance that orders his office to transport detainees to the medical appointments. Our Mercedes McKay joins us now live from downtown St. Louis, where the sheriff will appear in court today. Mercedes?
Good morning, Rennie. Well, Sheriff Alfred Montgomery believes that the Board of Aldermen is overstepping their power with this new ordinance, while the board believes that the sheriff is neglecting his responsibility. Obviously, this move comes and really is the latest chapter with the sheriff that already has a federal indictment and a state case against him that actually could remove him from office completely. So Sheriff Montgomery is arguing that the city doesn't have the authority to restrain him without approval from the Missouri Attorney General. Montgomery's lawyer says it's about who really sets the rules for justice in St. Louis and how much taxpayer money it may take to carry them out. Alderman Matt Devote, who wrote the bill, says state law already makes medical transport the sheriff's job. He pointed to past sheriffs who use that responsibility to leverage bigger budgets. Judge David Mason, speaking for Montgomery, says an extra $500,000 budget increase doesn't cover it.
We have Missouri case law recognizing that responsibility. Other sheriffs have used that responsibility to bargain for more budget dollars.
They only funded 4 people, as I recall. That isn't enough. Just because they gave some doesn't mean they gave enough.
So, Rennie, obviously today the big question is what could happen in court. So the judge could move pretty swiftly and decide whether or not to issue a temporary restraining order. The hearing will take place here at Connerhan Courthouse at 11 this morning. 5 on your side will obviously be in the courtroom, so make sure you stay with us on air and online for all the updates. Live in downtown St. Louis, Mercedes McKay, 5 on your side.